What's up everybody, my name is Kay. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. So recently on social media like Instagram, for those who haven't followed me on Instagram, well my name should be around here, should be like on the screen, it might be here or here. Either way, a lot of people have been asking me about how I style my hair. So this is the hair I'm currently rocking with at the moment, with like a fade tapered, kind of a classic look. So obviously you lot have been messaging me about, you know, how do I get to this hairstyle? What do I do? What products do I use? How much volume do I need to apply? So I thought to myself, okay, let me do a step-by-step routine on how to get this style and what products you should guys be using. Oh, and before we crack on straight to the video, just don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which I said earlier, because if there's any video you guys want me to put out for my next upload, let me know. Just give me a message and I'll know in my diary and get it done right away for you guys, alright? And also, if there's anything else that you guys want me to post out on Instagram, not just YouTube, message me as well, because I post out gym videos, fashion, style, and like life quotes as well. Hopefully people get inspired by those as well. Give it a comment and show some love. And that's it, and let's get started then. So as you can see that my hair is hella wet. I just got out of the shower and is now wet and damped. I prefer it to be all clean without any products in, so it'll be easier for me to like style my hair. So first things first, we're gonna pat dry our hair, or my hair, with a towel. Oh, and when you dry your hair, just make sure you pat it slowly like this, okay? Because as you can see that your hair is wet, so it's very fragile. All right, let's do this. Alright, now that's dried, it's done. So the next product I use is salt spray. It's optional, but I tend to usually use it after when I get out of the shower. What this does really gives you more that texture look, like after you blow dry your hair. But for some reason, that this also gives me a bit more of the volume. Well, maybe not much of the volume, but probably like more of the grip. I don't know, maybe I'm just chatting rasp, but for me it kind of works perfect for my hair. So yeah, just get right to it. So after using the salt spray, this bad boy. So if you guys want to have the hairstyle that I have, that you gotta make sure that you require a hairdryer, because without a hairdryer you can't achieve the style that I have. And usually when I blow dry this hair, I usually use my hands, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a brush for those that actually uses a brush. Okay, alright, let's go. I'll switch it on. I don't know how this looks. Oh my god, I look like a peanut. Right, now it's kind of hard for me to blow dry my hair without a mirror, so obviously the end result, it will be good, hopefully. So then, I just forgot to let you know that before you blow dry your hair, if you do have heat protecting spray, I do recommend you use it. I don't have it because I don't often actually blow dry my hair. Because usually after once I style my hair, it takes me like 3 to 4 days, even maybe 5 days for this hairstyle to last anyways. But for those that always wash their hair out more regularly than I do, then yes, I would recommend to use heat protecting spray. It just helps to kind of protect from heat damage, prevention from damaged hair. That's what it is. Yeah, I know, it looks pretty good right now, but without any product, this happens. It flops over. So the product I usually use for my final touches is Tony & Guy Men. So that's what it's called. I usually use this product quite a lot, but however, as you can see, it's finished. I tried going to the shops to find one more of these, but there weren't any, so instead I picked up something else which will hopefully, well not hopefully, it did do the job. I've got this product instead, as you can see. It's a molding paste product. The other one I just showed you was actually a molding paste, something that I would prefer for my own hairstyle. But this product is just as good as well. It does the job. Well, let me apply it and show you for yourself. Well, actually, before I apply some on my hair, I'll slightly give you a little tip that it's good to actually start with a small amount first, as you can see, just like a little fingertip. I'll show you in the camera. There we go. It's because you can always add more later. Because before in the past, because I remember when I first started adding too much, it ends up getting a bit too like stiff to the point I can't even move my hair anymore. So then it's kind of pain in the butt, and I go and start all over again. You know, all the steps I've been showing you, I have to do all that again. So would recommend just add, just a small amount, and you can always add more. You know, there's no harming to add more. So just make sure you don't add too much first. I might even need to add more now, but let's see. Then usually after I do this, to kind of give that more of that texture look. This is so hard to do this without the mirror, man. Bear with me. This is the result you're probably most likely to get with this product. The only downside about this product is that it doesn't have a strong hold compared to this, which is the Tony Guy. I like Tony Guy because I only need to use about one small amount. As for the this product, I tend to use it about 2 to 3 times more than this. So, but I mean, other than that though, yeah, it did the job pretty good in my opinion. I think. I mean, let me know what you guys think. So just comment down below. If you guys want the products, actually, this one's £7.50 and this one's, I think this one's about £4. So it's all based on your preference and your own hairstyle, because everyone's hairstyle is a bit different. Mine seems to be a bit more maybe thin, mine looks kind of thick as well, and just a bit more wavy. For those who've got probably thicker hair, I probably recommend going for this one. For those who've got thinner hair, I will probably go for this one, okay? But it also depends on the budget, how much you're willing to spend. So this one's, like I said, is only what, £4. This one is £7.50. So I'll link it down below in the description where you guys could go on Amazon, access it, and purchase these items right away. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of like my step-by-step on how I style my own hair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a nice massive thumbs up, share it, comment down below because I want to know what you guys think about this video. Okay, if I missed out anything, comment down below. Also, if there's any video suggestions you guys want me to do, let me know, man. Like, just message me on social media and I'll get right to it, alright? And most importantly, subscribe, okay? And yeah, that's it for me for today, and I'll see you guys next time, and peace.